What you got there, bud?
Yeah.
What do you got? What you got? You got a frisbee? You got a frisbee? He's never had a frisbee.
No?
Never.
Oh.
Never had a frisbee. Ooh, look at him catch a frisbee. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Back to ball? Yeah. Oh, come on. With the ball, you want the frisbee. Gimme? Give me a frisbee. Come on. Come on. Go get it. Go get it. Good boy.
Oh, what a great little guy. I've never seen one with the center out. That's really clever.
Hey, now.
What do you got?
Something.
What do you got? See? You're going to be saying that a lot.
Okay.
Oh, he's going to be a frisbee dog. A frisbee dog. Molly's son is going to be a frisbee boy. Is that Molly's son? He's so pretty.
Come on. Give me a frisbee. Go get it.
Okay.
Good boy.
What a great yard. Look at Joe. Hi. Hey, buddy. You're a little man. You're not a little man anymore. Wow. This is Mom and his dad.
Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a very good boy. Oh, you eat the grass now. We don't eat
Now eating the grass.
Come on. Come on.
Okay.